प्रॉब्लम नंबर 42। प्रॉब्लम नंबर 42 को स्टडी करने के लिए हमें जीन पेटेंट के बारे में पूरी तरह मालूमात हासिल होनी चाहिए। So before going into the detail of problem 42, you must have a knowledge regarding gene patents. The question related to problem 42 is whether a gene is an invention or a discovery. क्या जीन इन्वेंशन है या डिस्कवरी है? This question raises when the issue of gene patent rises. Now, why there is a need of gene patent? Gene patents are usually done for the scientist products ताकि उनको commercialize किया जा सके. Now, patents are designed to protect the commercial interest जो कि invention से उभर रहा है. So, जीन पेटेंट के लिए ज़रूरी है कि हम जो प्रोडक्ट पेटेंट कराना चाहते हैं इट मस्ट बी एन इन्वेंशन नॉट अ डिस्कवरी. बट if you talk about the gene patent, then keep in mind that gene is a natural product, how it can be patented. The scientists give the answer of this question as the gene is isolated through inventive steps. So this is an invention, not a discovery. So whenever we talk about the inventive steps, we talk about the central dogma of molecular biology that comprises of 3 steps. First is replication, second is transcription, and the third one is translation. In the process of replication, DNA makes several copies and convert it into messenger RNA by the process of transcription. Messenger RNA is finally converted into a protein product by a process known as translation. Scientists call these steps as the inventive steps. That's why they consider gene as an invention, not the discovery. So according to the scientists, these inventive steps turn DNA sequence into an invention. But the opposition party said that if we are making gene copies in a test tube, then the chemical structure of the gene even present in the test tube remain the same as the chemical structure is in the human body. So there is no difference between the gene copy and the gene present in the human individual. So how it can be an invention? But scientists are somehow restricted towards their idea towards an inventive steps. That's why genes are patented today. Now let's talk about the patent law because it has solved many problems related to gene patent. अगर जीन पेटेंट की प्रॉब्लम हो तो हमें बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स दूसरी भी फेस करनी पड़ती है, जैसे कि इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ patents, innovators they just rely on the trade secrets ताकि वो अपनी टेक्नोलॉजी को प्रोटेक्ट कर सकें और उसको कमर्शलाइज करके उससे फ़ायदा उठा सकें. सो दिस इज़ एक्चुअली द रोल ऑफ जीन पेटेंट. लेकिन अगर जीन पेटेंट की एब्सेंस होगी, इनोवेटर सिर्फ ट्रेड सीक्रेट्स पे रिलाई कर सकते हैं, नॉट ऑन द टेक्नोलॉजी. On the other hand, it was found that genes are not the technology, but it's a part of the human chromosome. So how genes can be a technology? For example, let's take an example of human leukocyte antigen where more than 100 genes are present. And these genes are found to be associated with autoimmune diseases. So number of experiments are going on the genes related to the treatment and diagnosis of the genetic disease. So scientists found them not only an invention but they also call it as a technology. इसके अलावा ह्यूमन जीनोम प्रोजेक्ट की जब हम बात करते हैं तो वी ऑल्सो टॉक अबाउट द कंप्लीट ह्यूमन DNA सीक्वेंस विच इज़ नाउ अवेलेबल and it is considered to be as a public domain. It is considered to be as a public property. ये public के लिए हर वक्त available होना चाहिए, ना कि हम इसको commercialize करें. लेकिन साइंटिस्ट ने कहा कि जब तक हम इसको पेटेंट नहीं करेंगे, जब तक कि हम इसको कमर्शियलाइज नहीं करेंगे, इस डीएनए सीक्वेंस का मिसयूज भी हो सकता है। इसकी वजह से बहुत सारी जीन्स पेटेंट की गई, not only those genes which are associated with the polymorphisms, but the genes associated with the new bacterial species, new viral species, or new DNA sequences of the new organism that was found to be present in the biological nature. So most of the genes are patented today and they have to be licensed broadly.